Hello everyone, you're welcome to my page, and today I'll be um building up your spirit, okay? And we still go back to what I have, okay? But majorly, I want to point out something before we go to the main thing that we have to do, because I'll be taking you up through some of the things you see in mathematics that you actually thought they are difficult. But I'm not a mathematician actually, but at least the little I know in mathematics, I will be able to transfer to you. I like to simplify mathematics the way you understand, break it up for you so that you understand. You see, this mathematics that you're seeing is not that difficult. In fact, it's not difficult. You're the one that's made up your mind that it's difficult. When you were born, you came up and you hear people saying mathematics is difficult, and you just embrace it and say, yeah, it's true. They say mathematics is difficult, so it's difficult. It's not actually difficult when you give it your time and you get someone to break it down. And another thing that actually happens why people think mathematics is difficult is the kind of people that teach them mathematics. Yeah, it's the kind of people that teach them mathematics, and not just the kind of you might really have a bad teacher, but when you your your best on your own, you will see that mathematics is not difficult. You are going to understand it. You get, so it's that fear that you have in you. You have already concluded already. That's why you see mathematics as being difficult. Yes, mathematics is not difficult. How do I know it's not difficult? Even you that is listening to me, that is watching this video right now, you are a mathematician. Yes, I'm sure you are. The one that is limiting yourself. How do I know you're a mathematician? Even without seeing you, how do I know that you're a mathematician? Okay, you go out there, you want to buy a bottle of mineral, yeah, with 200 naira, and they sell a bottle of mineral, for instance, 100 naira. You go, you give the person that is selling it your 200 naira, the person hands you over a bottle of mineral. In your head, you've already calculated that your change is 100 naira. How did you know that your change is 100 naira? You calculated right. Is it not mathematics? You enter a bus that is going to your direction, and they said, after giving the conductor a particular amount, and let's say your change is remaining 15 naira, and the conductor was like, I don't have 15 naira to give you, madam. And you say, okay, actually, I have 15 naira with me. Conductor, give me the 100 naira I see you. Let me give you 15 naira. You know it's balanced up, right? How did you know that giving him 15 naira in exchange with 100 naira is going to balance your money? How do you know that? Mathematics. Have you seen it? You're a mathematician. Just that you've never calmed down. Even you saw these people in the main market doing a whole lot of mathematics without them knowing that they are doing mathematics. Well, they will come up and say, ah, mathematics is difficult. I cannot even solve mathematics. When I was in school, mathematics was very hard for me. But every day, every single day of their life, they are solving mathematics. You see? Have you agreed with me that you're a mathematician? You are. So that you've already concluded in your heart. You've already resolved that mathematics is difficult. And there's nothing anybody can tell you. Mathematics is difficult. So my dear, you can do better. With me being your teacher, you can do better. At least the simplest one I know. I will tell you, I will teach you to the most simplest way you will understand it. You know this mathematics is not as difficult as people think it is. We do mathematics, we solve mathematics every single day. Every single day. I hear telling me you don't know mathematics or mathematics is difficult. Hello. When I say mathematics is simple, I say it now. I want you to say it. Say mathematics is not difficult. Say it. Say mathematics is not difficult. Say it now. See, this is all about your mindset, okay? I can remember when I was growing up, my father called me one day and asked me, between English and mathematics, which of the two is more difficult? I said, Dad, is mathematics now. He said, no, not possible. That do I know I can really get 100 over 100 in mathematics, but in English it will be very, very difficult for me to get that. I was like, Dad, are you sure? He said yes, that he's very sure and he's telling me the truth. So I doubted what he said, but as I was going through my studies, as I was going from one class to another, from one level to another, I found out that what he said was actually true. So when I see people saying mathematics is difficult, I don't really get it. It's not as if I know everything in mathematics. No, not at all. But at least there are some simplest things, simplest problems I've seen online that you see so many people coming with different answers and their lives. I'll be like, this is very simple. This is something that even somebody with very little knowledge in mathematics can do this, but I find that people, it's not that they will cannot or they will not be able to solve it, but they have resolved that math is hard and they have gotten that mentality. So once they say anything related to math, they'll be like, they will keep off from it. You get? So that is the reason. So follow me so that you get more details, you get more teachings about mathematics, principles, mathematics solvings, and all their likes. If you have any question, you can please
keep it here, drop it here, and I'm gonna attend to them. If I don't know it, I will tell you, please, I don't know it. If I don't know it at the meantime and I need to research about it, I will still tell you that just give me some time and I will attend to your question. You get that? So that is it.